To stop an app from seeing your location, we'll first go to Settings and then scroll down to Location. On some Android phones, this might be under Security and Privacy. In the Location menu, we'll go to App Permissions. And here I can see a breakdown of which apps are allowed to see my location and when. Your apps will either have access to your location all the time or only when you're using the app, or they simply never have access to your location. You can pick any app from the list to change its location permissions. The apps that do have access to your location will usually have a separate toggle for using your precise location. Something like a map or navigation app would usually need the precise location, but most apps will be fine without it. When precise location is disabled, the app will see your approximate location in a bubble that's about a few miles or kilometers wide, which means they know the city and general area where you are, but can't see your exact location. If you tap the three dots up top, you can include all your system apps and processes in the list, although that gets easily overwhelming. If you want to know which apps have used your location, you can do that from the security and privacy settings. I can scroll down to view all the permissions used in the last 24 hours or the last 7 days. This shows everything from camera access to call logs and location. On the top, I can change the view to show either the last 24 hours or the last 7 days. On some Android models, this setting is hidden behind the three dots. And when I go to my location history, I can see a detailed view of the apps that have accessed my location, and there's even timestamps showing the exact moment when these apps were checking my location. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.